What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build sliding wardrobe doors from beginning to end. Hope you enjoy this, and without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be fitting the wardrobe right in this corner here with an end panel just at the edge there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the camera down and you can watch the time lapse of me building this cupboard. The first thing I did was take 3 measurements for the end panel to see roughly where it's supposed to be. My width of my cabinet was 120 centimeters, so that's the width of where it should be, and I marked it on the wall. The height of the cupboard doors were 226 centimeters, and the height of my particular ceiling was 230 centimeters. Therefore, I needed to reduce the height of my ceiling by 40 millimeters, and I had a piece of wood which I have already painted white, and I have attached that first onto the ceiling. This ensured that my height was correct for the runners for the top rail. I fixed the top rail in place, and after that I brought in the door to get my level correct for the doors so I can line up the bottom rail in the correct position. That's the word I was looking for. Once I was happy with the position of the doors and that they were level, I marked and snapped the door in place while the door was actually fixed now on the bottom rail, and then I've drilled it in place, making sure that it was level. I had a problem with one of the sliding doors, and what it was, I have put the runners on the wrong side of the door when I installed the top runners, and for some reason, I don't know why, it wasn't sliding around in the right way like the other one was. So once I realized, I had to take the door off and then reposition the runners. The last step was to get the end panel secured in the right place and making sure that that was square as well. And I just used angle fixings to secure them onto the wall, and that was it.